Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 10 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we now show you how to commission your wheel aligner TW115 from TWIN BUSCH. Your wheel aligner is delivered in 2 packages. Open the upper tabs of the wider package using a flat screwdriver. Remove the lid. Take out all the parts and boxes and put them aside for now. Open the tabs of the second package. Remove the lid and then open the rest of the tabs. Take out the trolley and put it aside. You'll find the 2 included turn plates under the trolley. There are more parts, as well as the manual for your wheel aligner, in the boxes with the measuring heads. Read the manual carefully before you continue with the commissioning. Take out all remaining parts now. Let's take care of the cable gland on the side of the trolley. The cable gland is guided on the cable up to the provided hole in the trolley, and then it's secured from the inside with a plastic nut. Then the external plastic nut is fastened again. Repeat this process with the cable gland on the other side. To mount the upper supports for the measuring heads, the 4 screws must be removed first. Then guide the cables through the middle hole of the support. The support is screwed now. To mount the lower supports, the screws only have to be lightly unscrewed. Then the support can be hung and screwed. Afterwards, mount the 2 supports on the other side correspondingly. Take off the bag on the trolley then. You will find the keys for the 3 trolley doors inside it. The monitor can be placed and connected now. Place the keyboard and mouse on the trolley and then put in the included batteries. Mount the Bluetooth data transfer device. To do this, the two front screws are taken off while the ones on the back are only unscrewed lightly. Then the USB cable is guided through the provided hole and the data transfer device is screwed. Let's focus on the computer. Place the computer inside the cabinet and connect it with all the cables. You will find the Bluetooth receiver for the mouse and keyboard inside the mouse. Plug it into the computer as well. Hang the wheel clamps now. A measuring head is plugged into each wheel clamp and secured. On this side, we see the two measuring heads for the right side of the vehicle. The measuring heads for the left side of the vehicle are mounted in the same way on the other side of the trolley. The remaining accessories can be placed in the lower cabinet. Now, screw a small lever on the adjustment wheel of each wheel clamp. The wheel aligner can be connected and turned on now. Turn the computer on as well. And the monitor. Finally, you can connect the measuring heads to recharge them. Your wheel aligner can be used now.